Do you want to use Claude without breaking the bank? Today I'm going to show you a simple method to access this advanced AI tool at a much lower price while still enjoying all its features. Let's get started. If you're looking to reduce the cost, there's an interesting alternative that lets you access Claude at a lower price. The process is simple. You create your account, explore the available offers, and choose the one that best fits your needs. To access the offers and take advantage of current deals, you'll find the link in the description. And if something catches your eye, it's better to act fast, as spots are often limited. On the dedicated page, you can compare several plans based on different criteria. For example, you can filter by budget, subscription duration, plan type, or even the sharing method offered. Let's take a concrete example with a Claude Pro shared account offer. In this case, you get access to Claude AI Premium for 1 month through a shared space with other users. The advantage is that you benefit from Claude's advanced features without paying the full price of an individual subscription on your own. A quick thing to check before buying: some shared offers may include specific rules, so make sure to review the details before completing your purchase. In terms of pricing, the official Claude subscription costs $20 per month. Here, you can access it for around €6 per month, and sometimes even less, depending on the plan or sharing method. Once you've found the offer that suits you, all that's left is to place your order. After payment is confirmed, your access details are sent to you. Then you just need to log in and start using Claude as usual. In summary, you create your account, choose the plan that fits you, complete your purchase, and receive your access. Once logged in, you can start using Claude immediately. That's how you can get Claude for less thanks to GamsGo. If you want to access the tool at a lower price and take advantage of current deals, use the link in the description. If an offer interests you, make sure to grab it while it's still available. And if this video helped you, I recommend checking out the one on your screen. It might interest you as well.